My bad, I already got into it. I know y'all seen I already got into it, you hear me? I'm hungry as hell, I'm sorry. I'm hungry. Lord have mercy on my soul. Lord have mercy on my soul. Lord have mercy on my soul. Let's see what them chicken and waffles we getting for you, hear me? Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy on my soul. Lord have mercy on my soul.
Bro, what the f is you even talking about?
Is this nigga serious?
Everything busting. 9 out of 10.